In this video, you are going to see how to type the squared symbol in text and numbers in Excel, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us write here m and 2. Now I want to put the 2 over the m. Now click on the cell and select the 2. Click on right button, go to format cell, and from here choose this option superscript, and it will be superscript. But in the number there is a problem. Let us write here 3 and 3. Now click on the cell, select the 3, click on right button, go to format cell. If I check the superscript and click on OK, and if I click on outside the cell, it will not be superscript. So in this case, what should we do actually? Let us select the cell. Now go to over here the cell formatting and make it text. Now let us select the 3 again, click on right button, go to format cell, make it superscript and click on OK. Then it will be superscript. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.